Today, we're going to be covering how to prep your vocal correctly for mixing. Hi, my name's Tyson. I'm a mastering engineer here at Dinosaur Dog Mastering, and today I was just mixing a song for fun for a friend, and I decided I might as well show you how I'm prepping the vocal before I'm mixing it. There's a certain process that if you put into place and you gain stage your vocal properly before you mix it, you end up with way better results. So I'm going to show you that today. Before we dive into the content, however, I do want to let you know I have a free guide associated with this video that you can get in the first link in the description, and it is the ultimate mixing checklist. This will give you step-by-step instructions on how to mix a song and to make sure that you don't miss anything, so you get more professional and better sounding mixes. All right, with that said, let's dive straight into the content of how to prep your vocals before you start mixing. Right now, I'd already started, so you can kind of see the progress I've made already. I covered the first verse and chorus. So basically all I'm doing is evening out the dynamics of the gain of the track before I even put in any plugins on side of the mix. This is going to help my vocal sound much more natural because I'm not going to have to over compress it in order for it to be present all the time inside of the song, be kind of up front where it needs to be dynamically, without either just being way too loud or, missing words. So that's really the goal. We're chopping up the track very easily just by using this little selector tool. I don't remember, there's a specific name for it. Anyway, doesn't matter. All you have to do is hit Command and then select your little track, and then it'll chop it out. Let's undo that. I'm gonna select a little bit more. So what I'm doing right now is, again, evening out the dynamics. I come over here into the gain section and I can just gain it up or down according to however much it needs. Basically with the lead vocal, I'm just trying to hit -10 on all the peaks and then be able to still hear all of the words underneath of it. Feel free to just watch over my shoulder as we move forward here. Won't you break up all these So for these where he kind of just trails off, I like to have a gain plugin on the first slot here just so I can gain up just those sections and slope it, because I can't just up that whole section and expect it to sound natural. And that is how you prep vocals for mixing. I'm going to do the same for the vocal harmony, probably not quite as detailed, as I can get away with a lot more compression on the harmony. But This took a long time. And if there's more vocal tracks, obviously you're going to be doing this for a while, but I can definitively say that this is going to level up your mixes. And I spend half of the time mixing just gain staging and volume balancing. Consistently, half of my time is spent just in those two areas because they make the biggest change in the end product. Anyway, I hope this was a little bit helpful, just seeing the process here. One more step before done here is we have to select everything and crossfade it. So I have everything set in the drag function to crossfade. It's just the easiest way to do it. And then just give a little crossfades. That way there's no like weird pops or clicks if I kind of put it in a weird spot where there's already some sound there. Anyway, just smooths everything out, makes it sound more natural, and we're good to go. Thanks for watching, and have a great week.